How you print from your iPad depends a little bit on which app you're using. Google handles printing slightly differently than most other apps. So if I was going to print an email or print something from the internet, the way most printing works is I simply open up whatever it is that I want to print, and in the upper right hand corner I normally have this share arrow with a little box with an arrow in it. When I tap on that arrow, I get some sharing options, and in that bottom row, if I swipe, I should see an option that says print. Now when I hit print, it's going to give me the option to choose from a variety of printers. It should show me every printer in the building. If I wanted to print to a specific printer in the building, I simply would tap on that printer, and it's going to ask me to log in with my username and password. Your username is what is on the sticker on the bottom of your keyboard, and your password is whatever you use to log in your Google, Moodle, and other district accounts. Now it should remember this password on this printer, so I should only have to do this the first time I ever print to this printer, and after that it should remember me on that printer in this device. Now once I type in my information, I now get a print window, and in this print window I can control how many copies. Where it says options, if I tap, I have the option to control whether or not this is going to be double-sided, or if I wanted this to be black and white, or color, or so on. When I'm ready, I go ahead and hit print, and it will print my document. Now, if I am in Google Drive, or Docs, or Sheets, and anything Google really, if I'm wanting to print something from there, it's slightly different. So if I have a document here that I want to be able to print out, you'll notice I don't have that same share arrow in the corner here. So in Google, if I want to print, there are 3 dots that show up in the upper right hand corner. And once I do, there's an option that says share and export. So it's the same kind of sharing, but it's just in a slightly different location. And then when I tap on here, there's an option that says print. Once I get to this print option, it then asks me, do I want to use cloud printing or AirPrint? We use AirPrint. And now I get the exact same window where I can choose my printer, I can log in with that printer, and hit print. So that is how you print on an iPad.